Palat inyo hajar ngut ki Nongtrei Asha kidang Bteng ya ke Jingiakhih halor ke Jingsiew banyo ke Jingsiew jongki. Umentri ke kot ke kia uba wailat miki shila uloong ba ke Jingsiew ke dei namar ke pisa kawan na ke sorkar Bteng. Hendre ke sorkar jela kedang pin kloy banyo Palat ya ke pisa. Umentri uloong ru ba ulaya keren batu MD ke NHM ubala kular ban ai ke Jingtip Shen. Nongtrei Asha kibala ya Bteng ya ke Jingiakhih mentala nyosni da ke Dawa Pyllait ya ke Jingsiew ki badangsa.
Also, there was a slight issue with because as you know that the money of the is coming from the center. So we are last time also I already discussed with my MD. Then I think from his end also he has called them, and then they have he have assured from his end he has assured them. But in the meantime, I don't know. I have not come to my knowledge that regarding anything that they are going to continue with their strike and all. But from our end, we are pushing that the amount to be released as soon as possible.